Finally made it to our last question for the practice test, question number 11. We're asked to find the weighted estimate P bar to test the claim P1 not equal to P2. So the weighted estimate it's also called a pooled estimate for P. Now there's a formula, you could follow that, but our calculators will also calculate it for us with the information given. Use alpha equals 0.02, assume the samples are random and independent so that we can do it. We're given sample sizes, success rate, number of successes for both. So we have what we need to run a proportion test, a two sample proportion test. Come back to the calculator. Let's get back here. I'll go one more. We're running a test. We're going to do two proportions. So that's always, as we're looking here, when we're using P, not mu, we know we've got proportions. We're testing that P1 is not equal to P2, so the standard null hypothesis will be that the two are equal, or that when we subtract them we get 0, same thing. Down here is the not equals, so again we have the three choices. We'll go with the not equals, and we now can put in our details. X, the number of successes is 250. So again, be careful how you enter your, because it's very easy to enter the wrong number. Put the sample size first. Sample size is 1,000, so we put that under sample size of sample 1. Number of successes in the second sample was 195, and it has a sample size of 1,200. Certainly we don't need a test that the sample size is enough. We're asked to use alpha equals 0.02. However, that's not as an issue because, again, we're not going to go all the way to see whether we actually reject or fail to reject, but the question is asking for the weighted estimate, which is also the pooled proportion. That's a name. So another word for this is pooled proportion. Or proportion. Always have to sound the words out to get them right. 0.2022, 0.02, so rounded it would be here. And notice you might get distracted if you use either of these proportions. Z-score's probably not going to do it to you. But also don't get, it's not dealing with the p-value, it's the pooled proportion, okay, which just sort of, it's a weighted mean. That's exactly what it is, a weighted estimate of what P1 and P2 together would be. It's a pooled proportion. All right, so that's question 11. That takes us all the way through the practice test.